Hey Patriots, just wanted to give you a quick trading video. It seems like we got some people that are trying to pull off some trades, so you may as well use indicators like the pros do. So let's take a look at my past trade that I was using the technique. It wasn't all that bad. It wasn't that far off, and I think we actually had some manipulation. But the point being is if we're going to look at the MACD here, basic trading, guys. You don't have to be a pro. Just follow some simple rules, and you'll be able to make decent trades. This is the MACD that you can get in TradingView, the MACD 1226. When you want to make trades is when you see the MACD below the zero line. This is the zero line, right? It needs to be well below the zero line, and it needs to cross. The blue needs to go above the red. The shorter time frame needs to go above the red. Okay, and once you get the cross, then you put your trade in. And if you look at that, and you can look how I set it up based on other factors, but if we're just keeping it super simple, don't deviate, just do this. Don't get into a trade until MACD is well below zero and you get a cross. Then you enter a trade, and this is exactly what I showed in mine, right? See how that lines up with the MACD? And you've got there's only one place to go. It's up after that. And you would even, you could still have even held on to it from here, right? Because you're still part of the uptrend. It doesn't usually roll back down again. Okay. So we're just playing the odds. Okay. Then you would sell out when the MACD is on the other side of the zero. You want it to be well above, at least a couple levels above, and then you'd sell out. So if you had done that, you'd sell right here, not here at the very super, the best top. It was actually about right there. I mean, technically you could have hit the top because you could, have done your sell trade right where the blue line reverses. Okay, you can see that reversal before they cross. Okay, maybe at least a couple hours before. So technically, you could hit that trade. But anyway, the point being, here's the next one. Look, MACD well below the zero, crossing. You to put in a trade right about here. Here, I'll give you a little marker. I'll use this. You to put in a trade either at the reversal, which was here, or you would have put it in at the cross, which is a little safer, which is here, and then you would wait. Just wait. And this is I'm on the 1 hour time frame, so it's not a bad time frame for trading, Wait, and as that guy told you in the video, get your 1% and get out. Okay, so then we would look for something that would give us a 1% price increase, and then we would just get out. Oh, let me get rid of that. That's not the indicator I was looking for. Price range. So, somewhere in here, you would want your 1%. That's 2%, right? So let's go 2%, right? Let's go 2%. You could have got out of that trade right there. Okay. And if you're on leverage, let's say 10%, that's a 20% return. How hard is that? Look at that. And that's what that guy was telling you in that video, AM Crypto, that I shared. So anyway, real simple trading technique. MACD, wait for when it's all the way at the bottom, as much to the bottom as it can be. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you want to wait for the lowest you can get. And then you want to sell when it's above, and you just need to wait. And if you do that, you can see it'll almost always work out, almost always. Not every time, but most of the time, a huge percentage of the time. And you got to think you're only going for the big swings. You're not trying to trade small swings. So anyway, this is my advice. Buy low on the MACD, sell high on the MACD. Don't try to predict price. Okay. At least with the indicators, you get a sense of what's happening and what is, highly likely to happen. So there you go. Check it out. Good luck. Do your best. Kick butt. I'll see you soon.